Hello guys, this is Mike, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a proper green tea for losing weight. So I just got out of the gym and this is what I do every morning to lose weight. I gained a little bit, so I have to lose it. So what you're gonna need is some boiled water, some green tea, and some lemon juice. So you can use the tea bags, or you can use this holder for the leaves. I think you can see it right now. So this is like if you have like just the leaves and you don't have the ones with the tea bags. Okay, so now I'm gonna boil the water. It's gonna take a little bit. So this is the lemon juice. This is from a whole lemon. Okay. Okay, still working. So I like more using this way to like this leaf holder. I don't know, I just feel like it's a more natural way to do it. I use tea bags there just sometimes. I don't know, when I want to do it fast, I just use tea bags and that's it. So if you feel like you're starving and you feel like you need to eat a lot, just try to, if you want to lose it, just try to drink some lemon water every time, and the lemon just cuts like you're not gonna feel hungry anymore. Or try to eat like small portions. Okay, and eat slow for your brain to send their signals to, for your stomach to send the signals to your brain that you're full. So okay, so we have the boiling water you see here. I'm gonna pour it into a cup. Okay, so now use one of them. I like to use this one. Okay, just throw it into the cup like this. I'll leave it for like a couple of minutes. Okay, and after like a minute or 2 minutes, just throw the lemon. Just throw the lemon into the water. Now the water is boiled, so it's not really good to throw the lemon water just now, but Okay, so after the water is, you pour the water into the cup, throw the tea bag or this leaf holder, and after that leave it like a couple of minutes, and after that throw the lemon juice inside, and you're gonna have a perfect green tea for losing weight. Thank you guys, and subscribe for more. Thank you.